Hey everybody, this video is to show you guys how to round to all three different places. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking the same 4-digit number and showing you guys the differences between rounding to the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. So for this place, I'm rounding to the tens. So I'm going to underline the number in the tens place. That would be ones, tens, the 1. I'm going to circle the BFF, which is right beside of it. And the 5 is going to tell the 1 to rest or shove. This is 5 or above, so we're going to give the 1 a shove. The 1 shoves up to a 2. The circled number becomes a 0. And then our 4 and our 3 are just going to drop straight down. So that is this number rounded to the closest tens. Notice how the number 10 has 1 0 in it, so we know our answer also has to have at least 1 0. Now we're going to round 4,315 to the hundreds place. The number in the hundreds place is the 3. And we're going to spotlight the best friend, which is a 1. And the 1 is going to tell the 3 to rest. 4 or less, let it rest. So that means it's going to stay at 3. And the 1 and the 5 are both going to become zeros. And we're going to drop the 4 and the comma straight down. Remember, 100 has 2 zeros in it. So I know that my answer has to have at least 2 zeros in it. The difference here is I rounded this to the tens and this to the hundreds place. Now we're going to round this number to the thousands place. The number in the thousands place is the 4. We spotlight the BFF, which is right beside of him. The 3 is going to tell the 4 to rest. 4 or less, let it rest. It's going to stay at 4. Drop the comma down, and now instead of just 1 or 2 zeros, all 3 of these are going to become zeros because the number 1,000 has 3 zeros in it. So our answer down here has to also have 3 zeros in it. So that is the difference between rounding to the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. This is the exact same number, but you need to pay attention to what place you're rounding to. Underline whatever place that is, spotlight the BFF, and then round from there. Be very careful and make sure that you read the question carefully to see what place it wants you to round to, and that then you underline that place as well and round it to the correct place.